Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fatricia Apriani. I'm from 4BC class, and now I want to present my reading experience from journal article about script writing. The title is Development of Theater Education Textbook with Character Educational and Local Wisdom through Active Learning to Improve the Student's Script Writing Ability. From Journal VNU Journal of Science, Education Research by Muh Ismail and Retno Winarni. Publication date on 11th of September 2019. Volume number 35, issue number 3, page 1 until 12. Here is the abstract. The purpose of this study are to describe the students' and lecturers' needs on the theater education textbook, the development of the textbook model, the effectiveness testing on the design textbook, and the result of the textbook dissemination. This research was a research and development using Berg and Gall's framework that consisted of 4 stages: exploration, model development, model testing, and dissemination. The data were collected through documentation study, observation, in-depth interview, and questionnaire. The data were then analyzed by using interactive analysis model. Model testing was done by experimental research. The result of this research were the exploration stage showed that the theater education textbook used in undergraduate elementary teacher education program of 11 Maret University, Muhammadiyah University, and Slamet Riyadi University Surakarta did not meet the students' and lecturers' needs. The theater education textbook was developed through preliminary field testing, and testing phase of textbook effectiveness was done through mean field testing. This means that the theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom was able to improve the students' script writing ability. Introduction. The phenomenon of the less successful teaching of theater education in elementary teacher education program can be caused by the low level of script writing skill. The more implicit reason was, among others, the limitation of textbook. The ability to write a theater script could be mastered well if it is supported by the understanding and mastering of script writing techniques. For the reasons, students need to have knowledge about theater script writing techniques and character education, as well as the student also need to understand local wisdom that can be associated with theater script writing. Based on the observation on three universities, the authors found that the appropriate textbook for writing theater script is unavailable. The learning material regarding writing script of theater script writing was still grouped in Indonesian language learning. This makes the students feel confused to learning theater script writing. Perceived on the result of the exploratory stage on the students and lecturers' need, theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom was highly needed. So based on that problem, this research aims to develop theater education textbook with character education and local wisdom through active learning can develop students' script writing ability. Theoretical review. Theater script writing textbook with educational character and local wisdom was expected to support the students' success in learning theater script writing. Students' ability to write a theater script can be increased if theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom is available for the learning process. According to the national standard, a good textbook must meet the following standards in accordance with the basic competence and standard competence, covers the time span of its use, includes the capital, metropolis, and regional authors, in accordance with the principles of multiculturalism and easy to understand. For the purpose of fulfilling the need of theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom, this research was urgently needed to be done in the elementary teacher education program in Surakarta. Based on the above description regarding the concept active learning, it can be assumed that the theater education textbook with character education and local wisdom through active learning can develop students' script writing ability. Research hypothesis. The research hypothesis is that the theater education textbook with character education and local wisdom through active learning can develop students' script writing ability. Research method. Steps were into 4 main stages, each of which includes several operational steps. The four main steps are: 1. The exploration stage. Exploration stage was done by in-depth study on the implementation of theater education learning process in undergraduate elementary teacher education program in Surakarta area. The purpose of this activity was analyze the students' and lecturers' needs on theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom, which was considered capable in improving the students' ability to write theater script optimally. 2. The model development stage. The development was done by testing the textbook prototype in the field through limited trials and extensive trials. Data collection techniques were document analysis, participant observation, in-depth interviews, tests, and focus group discussions. 3. The model testing stage. This testing phase of the developed model was aimed to test the effectiveness of the textbook model in improving the students' ability to write theater script. Model testing was done by conducting experimental research. The study was looking at the main effect of the textbook model on the student's ability to write a theater script. Data collection techniques were a test on the ability to write theater script. And 4. The dissemination and implementation. This dissemination phase was done by disseminating the theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom that had been developed. The textbook can be implemented on theater script writing lessons, especially in universities which have undergraduate ETE program. Furthermore, the dissemination was done through national seminars, writing articles in international journals, as well as the publication of the textbook. Result and discussion. Based on the findings at the exploration stage, it could be concluded some problems in the theater arts education learning process in the elementary teacher education program. The problems were the absence of theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom. There was no action to improve the students' theater script writing skill. The lecturers did not understand the theater script writing material, and lecturers had not used innovative learning models yet. In principle, students, lecturers, and policy makers agreed that the theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom needed to be developed immediately. Furthermore, based on the need analysis of the students and lecturers, the following results were obtained. Theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom should be prepared to facilitate and guide students to improve their theater script writing skill. Innovative learning procedures such as active learning was necessary to be applied as a solution to the students' saturation in monotonous and non-varied lectures, and the need to use local culture as a learning resource that can help improving the students' theater script writing skills. Referring to the above explanation, the total number of respondents was 175, in total of 19 respondents in the experimental class and 85 other respondents in the control class. In the experimental and control classes, all respondents were given the task on the ability to write the theatrical script before treatment and after treatment. Conclusion. The exploratory stage showed that theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom has not been used in the undergraduate ETE program of 3 universities. The model development stage produced that theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom through preliminary field testing. Testing the effectiveness of the textbook model was done through main field testing. The dissemination stage was done through socializing the textbook in national seminars, international journals, and published the theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom. The theater script writing textbook with character education and local wisdom effectively improved the students' theater script writing skills. The textbook could be accepted by lecturers, policy makers, and students as teaching materials. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.